Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am releasing the 4th Stamp Stack card class out of the 2022 Christmas card series, which features the Decorated with Happiness bundle. Now, I did pair it with the Lights Aglow just to make it more elegant in traditional colors for some of the cards. I do have one that is not so much traditional, but I think it looks very elegant, and I'm very excited with how it turned out. But so anyway, I'm sure you're gonna love making all these cards. And so just to talk a little bit of what is included, as always, I have two options. So the option number one is for those of you who want to get the make and take packet. And the make and take packet will include all the materials to make 12 cards, so 3 of each of the different designs that you see here. It would also include a half a pack of the designer series papers, which is the Lights Aglow. And again, it is the one that has all the foils. I think I have a few pieces here so that you can kind of see how they look. But you can see some of the ones that I've been using for the designing of this card class. And you'll also get the satin edge ribbon. Is that right? Yeah, satin edge ribbon gold, which is really nice, and it helps you make all these beautiful bows. And then it would also include a full pack of the red and gray adhesive backed pearls. Now you can see here, even though it's the red and gray, it actually comes with gold, silver, green, and red, and they are amazing. Now you can see I'm almost used all of them, but that's how much I've been loving them. But again, you'll get a full pack for those of you for your projects. Now, this option is going to be $49 plus $9 shipping. I do ship in what are you saying, priorities. You'll get a shipping confirmation and a tracking. Also, the class includes, you'll have access to the video tutorials, which is something very important that I want to make sure you know. All my classes are video tutorials for the majority of them, mainly because I want to show you exactly step by step how I put together the cards. So to me, that's something that is very important. And so you get the PDF with the pictures, which has also the measurements so that you can cut out or score all the cards if you want to recreate the cards again in the future. But then it also has links to a video tutorial for each of the different cards. So definitely, I'm sure you're going to love this class. So anyway, so again, that option is $49 plus $9 shipping. One thing to note as well is that you are going to be needing the Decorating with Happiness bundle, because I use several of the images here, the sentiments, and so I know you're going to need it. And of course, you definitely need the dies to cut out all the different pieces. I don't cut out all the different pieces because it will take forever. So definitely you need to have this bundle. Now, I have put in the description or in the registration form an add-on option for this bundle if you want me to add it to your kit. So if you want to add it, make sure you select that one so that I know I need to send this to you. And if you already have it, then you're good to go. Alrighty, now how do you get that the registration link? So good question. You need to either email me at Ali with creatingwithali.com. That way I can send you the registration link, or you can subscribe to my mailing list, which is going to be in the description of this video, and it says something like bit.ly / stay in touch with Ali. That way you are part of my distribution list, and I email you all the registration links to all my customers in my mailing list. Also, I do send more information about upcoming events and other promotions, as well as my weekly card class. So definitely there's lots of benefits of being in my mailing list, but again, you'll get also the registration links and the reminders for each of the different classes that I release. So anyway, so that's option one. Again, I cannot share the link here for policies from Stampin' Up, but you can always ask for them. So either leave it, ask me on the comments, send me an email, you can text me, you can be a part of my distribution list, and that will be the easiest way for you to get the registration links. Now, for those of you who are outside the United States, or you already have all the supplies but only want to have the instructions or the video tutorials, that option is also available. So that's option 2. And so that tutorial is going to be available at creatingwithali.com / youtube.com/shop. That way you get access to all my tutorials. You go there, select whichever you want, you pay for it, and then you get a link to download it immediately right after you purchase the tutorial. You're gonna see that I've already have all the different Stamp stacks there as well already posted. So if this is the first class you're taking and you want to take the past classes from the 2022 series, definitely you can go there and get them already. Each of those classes are $15 for the Stamp stacks. And then of course there's also access to all other past classes that I have had. So check them out. I'm sure you're going to enjoy seeing which other card classes I have. So anyway, so thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I know you're going to love making all the cards, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.